How to sign up Ember account. Hey guys, welcome to our channel WebToTech. In this video, I am going to show you how to sign up Ember account in your PC. So let's jump to process. To create your Ember account, you need to first open any web browser available on your device. I am going on with Google Chrome. Now go to your search bar, then type in eu.ember.com. After this, press on enter. With this, you'll be taken to official website of Ember. Now here you can see a small My Account icon present at the top. Click on My Account icon and then you'll be taken to login page. Now here you can see New Customer Sign Up option. Click on Sign Up. After this, you'll be taken to registration page. Now click on First Name box and enter your first name. After this, click on Last Name box, then enter your last name. With this, click on Email box and enter your email address you want to create your account with. Then click on Password box and create a strong password for your account. Now, if you want to receive emails from Ember, then click on Sign Up for Ember emails box. After you enter all the details, click on Sign Up. With this, now your account will be created. Now on the top right corner, you can see that your account has been created. Click on My Account icon and then you'll be able to find your Ember account. Here, my Ember account has been created and this is how you simply sign up Ember account on PC. Hope this video is useful. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and if you like our content, make sure you like, comment and share. Thank you.